For our check and review, now we've covered everything except for that first one there, our order of operations and exponents. So a few different things with that. First, what's PEMDAS stand for? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division are done at the same time, and then addition and subtraction done at the same time. For both multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, remember it's just left to right as it goes. All right, so if we see something like this, first thing we would do would be parentheses. Are there any parentheses? No. So then we go to the exponents. Are there exponents? Yeah. 5 to the second power. What is 5 to the second power? 5 times 5, which is 25. After we do exponents, it's multiplication and division. Same time from left to right. So I'm actually going to do this division here before I do the multiplication. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 times 2, 12. And same idea, addition and subtraction at the same time, moving from left to right. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 minus 12 is 16. Any questions on that one? Not so bad, it's just following the same steps. Y'all go ahead and try that one. All right, who's got it? Oliver? 15 is correct. Just like the one before, no parentheses. So we do the exponents. Apparently I picked the same number twice, so 5 squared again is 25. Now this is the part where it's important to remember that the division and multiplication are done at the same time. If you did multiplication first, you would have got, what, 27. So this division gets done first because it comes from the left. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 2 then, 16. Then we do our addition and subtraction. So 25 minus 16 is 9. 9 plus 6 then gives us that 15. Okay? Any questions? All right, one other thing that kind of fits with this is substitution. So they'll give you an expression with a variable, or with 2 variables, or I guess it could be 3 or 4 variables. But it'll give you an expression with a variable. And basically what you have to do is take what they're giving you and plug it in for the variable. So I have x to the third power plus 4. Tells me x equals 2. So all I do is I take out the x and I put a 2 in. If there's an exponent on that variable, I keep that same exponent on the number. And then we just do the math. 2 to the third power. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 4 then will give us 12. Okay? Just taking it, following the steps once you plug it in. Y'all go ahead and try this one. All right, Bobby, what'd you get? No? 18 is correct. All right, x equals 2. So instead of x to the third power, we got 2 to the third power. Y equals 5. What type of math is being done right there? When you have a coefficient, the number in front of a variable, that's multiplication. So we got 2 times 5. 8 to the third power. We just had that. 2 times 2 times 2. Or sorry, it's 2 to the third power. I just said what the answer was. That's 8. 2 times 5. That's 10. 8 plus 10 is that 18 that she told us. Okay? Not so bad, right? Just plug them in, follow the steps, doing the math. Homework tonight, problems like those, okay? Shouldn't be too bad, should be pretty easy.